homemade gnocchi in 15 minutes? Yes. Field trip to Flavor Hive Halal Truck immediately after? Also yes. You're gonna do great. I know you've seen these guys before. Everybody brings something different, and they stuff it with the most flavorful meat you've ever had in your life. So of course I did my own thing. And your new hack to the most fun you'll have on a weeknight since drive-in movies. Yes, the secret is out. Instant mashed potatoes makes the best frickin' gnocchi. No, it doesn't have to feel like a belly bomb. And it's no longer a recipe that's reserved for holidays only. And it's so easy, my wife can do it.
Hey!
Anyway, I do have a few tips. Make sure you're using unflavored mashed potatoes. Because you know. And mix in a little butter when you take them out of the boiling water. Otherwise, they will clump. And by God, if you're anywhere near Annandale, Virginia, get to the Flavor Hive. Get there. Definitely follow them on Instagram and watch your dreams come true. Oh my God. These guys are really the best.